Roblox. Windows. Open the Roblox player and check for updates by restarting the game. Roblox should automatically update to the latest version. Mac. Quit Roblox, then relaunch it to prompt the update. Mobile, iOS, Android. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store. Check if there's an update available for Roblox and install it. 2. Clear Roblox cache. Corrupt or outdated cache files can lead to errors like this. On Windows, 1. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog. 2. Type send local app data at Roblox versions and press Enter. 3. Delete any files in the folder that appears, but avoid deleting the folder itself. On Mac, 1. Open Finder and go to # library application support Roblox. 2. Delete the versions folder and its contents. 3. Reinstall Roblox. A fresh reinstall can resolve corrupt installation files. Uninstall Roblox. 1. Go to Control Panel, Programs, uninstall a program, Windows, or applications. 2. Uninstall Roblox. Reinstall Roblox. 1. Visit the official Roblox website, www.roblox.com, and download the latest version. 2. Install it and try to launch the game again. 4. Check for system updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date, as this could also impact Roblox's performance. On Windows, go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. On Mac, go to System Preferences, Software Update. 5. Disable antivirus firewall temporarily. Sometimes antivirus software or firewalls can block Roblox from updating properly. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and check if the issue resolves. Make sure to re-enable your security software afterward. 6. Check Roblox server status. There may be a temporary issue with Roblox's servers. Visit the Roblox status page //status.roblox to check for any ongoing outages that could be causing this error. 7. Reset internet connection. Sometimes connectivity issues can trigger error codes like this. Restart your modem router and try again. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. 8. Contact Roblox support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to reach out to Roblox support /en.help.roblox.com/hc/ens for further assistance. Following these steps should help resolve the error code 280 related to an outdated version of Roblox.